Hello guys, welcome to Square Ninja, and in this video we will see how you can create a channel art like this for your YouTube channel. So to create the channel art, I am providing you a channel art template which you can download by the link given in the description. See, you can create the channel art with any tool, but the most important thing is this text and logo safe area. If your content if your most important content and your message is within this area, then only it will be visible to the desktop and mobile users. So if you are creating a channel art with the help of Photoshop, then I would suggest you to use this channel art template, and you can use whatever you want to, like you want to make it your own. Then you can create a box on this, and initially what we do, we decrease the opacity, and we can do the all the work we want to do. Suppose you want to write some text, then for that what you do, you just create a new layer and start writing your text. Okay, is this something is wrong here? Yeah, just create a new layer and just start writing your text. Like I am writing here Squad Ninja, and so whenever when your channel art is ready, what you can do, you can hide this and this yeah, this layer, and you can increase the opacity of your layer which you put on. So by this way, you can create your beautiful channel art, and your most important content will be visible to the users. You can also create the channel art with the help of Canva. See, I just logged into Canva, and from here you have to go to browse all, and there is a separate template which is YouTube channel art, and length and width of this is 2560 to 1440, which is same for this channel art. So you can also 2560 into 1440. So here what we do, when we click on the YouTube channel art, we can select the templates. There are already pre-built templates which we can use for our channel, like I'm using this one. But before uploading this to your YouTube channel, I would suggest you to download this channel art and put this channel art on this template to see whether your most important area is visible to the user or not, because from Canva there is no option to verify that your most important part is visible with that or not, with on your YouTube channel or not. So with Canva you can make your channel art, with Photoshop you can make your channel art. There are some other tools which you can use to make your channel art, like Pixlr, and so many tools are available to create channel art. So in this channel art you can see we have written our text subscribe now, and the most important text is visible, and that lies between this area, this region, which is 1546 to 423, which is desktop and mobile visible area. See, your whole channel art will be visible to the user who is watching it YouTube on TV, but for now most of the users watch it on their mobile. So if you go to mobile, and you will see our YouTube channel on mobile as well, you will see this part will be visible over there. So by this method you can create your channel art. And see, channel art is the most important part of your channel. Most of the users will subscribe to your channel from this button after coming to your channel's main page. So if they found that your channel page, your channel art is not there, they will think that you are not a professional. So keep uploading, upload your channel art first and then start uploading your videos. So that's it for this video. And if you have any query, then you can ask me in comment section and I will reply your all queries. So I will meet you in the next video, and we will see some more important things to attract more views and subscribers for our channel. And see, on our channel we are going to do multiple things. We are uploading in every category. We are uploading the videos about YouTube, blogging, Facebook marketing, and digital marketing. There is a whole series of digital marketing training which is of course totally free for our subscribers. So you can go through all and each and every video. And to download this channel art, go to the description and download your channel art. So don't forget to subscribe your channel, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.